Once upon a time, in a small village, lived a beautiful girl named Emily. She was 20 years old. Emily had blue eyes and golden hair. Her family was poor, but they were happy. They lived in a small house and loved each other very much. Emily loved to read books and dreamed of a better life. One day, she went to the village market. There, she met a boy named Kolin. Kolin was tall and handsome, with dark hair and a kind smile. He came from a rich family. His parents owned a big house and many lands. Emily and Kolin became friends. They talked a lot and laughed together, enjoying walks in the fields and by the river. Kolin told Emily about his dreams, and she shared her hopes with him. They felt very close to each other. One day, Kolin said to Emily, "I love you, Emily. Will you marry me?" Emily was very happy. She said, "Yes, Kolin, I love you too." They hugged and dreamed about their future together. But there was a problem. Kolin's parents did not approve of Emily. They thought she was not good enough for their son because she was poor. Kolin's mother said, "Kolin, you cannot marry Emily. She is not from a rich family." His father agreed. "Wes, you need to find someone from a rich family." Kolin was very sad. He loved Emily and did not want to leave her. He told his parents, "I love Emily. She is kind and good. Money is not important." But his parents did not listen. They said, "If you marry Emily, we will not support you." Emily knew about the problem and was also very sad. She loved Kolin, but did not want to cause problems for him. She told Kolin, "Maybe it is better if we do not marry. I do not want to make your life difficult." Kolin said, "No, Emily, I will always love you. We will find a way." Days passed, and Kolin tried to convince his parents, but they did not change their minds. Emily's family also knew about the problem. They were worried about Emily. Her mother said, "Emily, we love you. We want you to be happy, but maybe it is better to let Kolin go." Emily cried many nights. She did not know what to do. She loved Kolin, but did not want to hurt him. One day, she decided to talk to Kolin. She said, "Kolin, I love you very much, but I think it is better if we do not marry. Your parents will never accept me. I do not want to make your life hard." Kolin was heartbroken. He said, "Emily, I cannot live without you, but I understand. I will always love you." They hugged and cried together. They knew their love was strong, but the world was against them. Emily and Kolin decided to stay friends, promising to always support each other, but their hearts were broken. They knew they could never be together. Emily continued to live with her family, working hard and helping them. Kolin also continued his life, but he always remembered Emily. Years passed, and Emily and Kolin still loved each other. They never forgot their love. They knew that sometimes love is not enough and learned that life can be hard. Emily worked in the village, helping her family and neighbors. She was kind to everyone, and people in the village loved her, knowing she had a good heart. Kolin also worked hard, helping his family with their business, and was kind and fair to everyone. One day, Emily's father became very sick. Emily was very worried and took care of him day and night, praying for his recovery. Kolin heard about Emily's father and wanted to help. He went to see Emily and said, "Emily, I am sorry to hear about your father. Can I help you?" Emily was touched by Kolin's kindness. She said, "Thank you, Kolin. Your support means a lot to me." Kolin brought medicine and food for Emily's family and visited them often. Emily's father slowly got better. Emily was very grateful to Kolin and said, "Kolin, you have a big heart. Thank you for helping us." Kolin smiled and replied, "Emily, I will always be here for you." Emily and Kolin spent more time together, talking about their dreams and hopes. They knew they still loved each other, but they also knew that Kolin's parents would never accept their love. They decided to stay friends and support each other. One day, Kolin had to go to the city for work. He told Emily, "I have to leave for a while, but I will write to you." Emily was sad but understood. She said, "I will miss you, Kolin. Please take care." Kolin hugged Emily and said, "I will miss you too. I will come back soon." Kolin went to the city, worked hard, and learned many new things. He wrote letters to Emily, sharing his life in the city. Emily wrote back, telling him about her life in the village. They shared their thoughts and feelings through letters. Time passed, and Kolin became successful in his work. He saved money and helped his family, but never forgot Emily. He still loved her and thought about her every day. Emily also thought about Kolin. She missed him, but was happy to hear about his success. One day, Kolin decided to visit the village. He wanted to see Emily. He went to her house and knocked on the door. Emily opened the door and was surprised to see Kolin. She said, "Kolin, you are back." Kolin smiled and said, "Wes, Emily, I missed you." They talked for a long time, reminiscing about their memories. Kolin said, "Emily, I still love you. I want to be with you." Emily was happy but worried. She said, "Kolin, I love you too, but what about your parents?" Kolin said, "I have saved money. I can support us. I don't need my parents' approval anymore." Emily was touched by Kolin's determination. She said, "Kolin, I am proud of you, but I don't want to cause problems for you." Kolin replied, "Emily, you are my happiness. I want to be with you." At this point, I want to ask you, do you think money is important in romantic relationships, or is love enough? Please share your thoughts in the comments. Emily and Kolin decided to be together. They knew it would not be easy, but they were ready to face the challenges. They got married in a small ceremony with their friends and family. Emily's family was very happy for her, knowing Kolin was a good man. Kolin's parents were not happy about the marriage and did not attend the ceremony, but Kolin and Emily did not let that stop them. They loved each other and were determined to make their life together work. Emily and Kolin grew old together, looking back on their life with happiness and pride. They knew their love had made them better people and were grateful for each other and the life they had built together. And so, Emily and Kolin lived happily ever after, always cherishing the love they shared. They knew that true love never dies, and they found peace in the knowledge that their love had made their lives meaningful and beautiful. If you enjoyed the story, please like, subscribe, and share.